Okay, so now we can see some of the workers here, some holding some placards, and we're not so sure the reason why they are. They seem quite angry and agitated. We don't know the reason why they are, but quite a number of them have been parked here close to the commissioning of the Tema motorway intersection, where the president is commissioning the intersection, and they're seen with red bands on their hands and their head and quite agitated. As to the reason why they are sort of protesting or demonstrating, we are unaware of that. The police presence is quite heavy here, and I think they're trying to remedy the situation, and yeah. Okay, so a policeman just quickly came to speak to them, but it seems like they are not heeding to that, and they're still quite in full force of their voices here. And okay, so the police are moving and trying to. Okay. So the police are trying to take the placards from them. Okay, so the police have taken the placards, two of the placards from them, and sort of resisted them from protesting. And as to the reason why they are protesting, we have no idea, but we see them in red bands on their head and their hands. And okay, so currently we are here at the Tema motorway intersection, where the president is commissioning the intersection. It was actually launched some 2 weeks ago, and the official commissioning is today. But as you can see, we can see some workers here. Information available to us tell us that some of these workers were part and parcel of the construction that went on here, and they seem to be agitated about the fact that they've not been paid their salaries. And we see some of them holding some placards, quite angry, quite in full force of their voices, and the police are seen also speaking to them, try to remedy the situation. Information available to us also tell us that they wanted to even move to the area where the commissioning is taking place, which is where the president and the roads minister and the minister for transport are all present there commissioning the Accra Tema motorway interchange. And quite a number of them are here, about close to 50 to 60 of them, if I'm right. But quite a number of them, they are all in their gear and with their placards, and some police personnel are seen speaking to them, trying to calm them down and trying to remedy the situation. Yeah. Okay.